Today I'm going to talk about how Andrew Tate and Iman Gadzhi really make their money and how you can too. Now everyone knows who Andrew Tate and Iman Gadzhi are. I'm sure you've probably watched a ton of their videos online or on social media. You know, they're multi-millionaires, they make a lot of money. So Andrew Tate, Iman Gadzhi, and not just these guys, there are plenty of other guys who make money in the exact same way as Andrew Tate and Iman Gadzhi. You've also got Charlie Morgan, you've also got a ton of other people as well who are making a lot of money online by doing this one very simple thing. And today I'm going to explore exactly how these guys are making so much money by just doing this one simple thing and how you yourself can do this too. So I'm going to go through everything today, how Andrew Tate and Iman Gadzhi really make their money, and again, how you guys can do it too. It's a very simple way to do it. Extremely simple. I myself have used this as well. I've made a ton of money. I've also taught a lot of people how to do this, taught a lot of my clients who themselves have made a lot of money. And I'm going to go through it today. So make sure you watch the entire video to the very end so you can understand exactly how you can do this yourself. Now, obviously you got Andrew Tate, you got Iman Gadzhi. These are the two people I'm focusing on. As I mentioned earlier, there are a lot of other people as well, but I want to focus on these guys as they're the biggest names right now. So firstly, let's explore Andrew Tate. Andrew Tate is a multi-millionaire. He sells a course called The Real World. Now, I made a ton of videos on The Real World. If you haven't watched them, after this video, make sure you check them out on my channel. It's essentially his course. It's a digital product that he sells, and he makes a ton of money on this. He has a lot of members signed up. I think he actually mentioned in one of the videos, this was before he became super famous. He explained his course, and he explained how many members there are and how much money he's making.
Well, let's do some basic math, right? So as of this morning, what do we say? 64,853. 64,853 times $49 a month. So that's 3.1 million a month.
Okay.
It generates.
Yeah.
That's all profit. It's an online platform.
No cost.
So what's that a year? 3 times 12 is 36 million a year.
So again, The Real World is something Andrew Tate sells. Now, the course teaches you how to make money. So I think it's got like 18 modern wealth creation methods. So it teaches you how to make money in several different ways. I've used the course myself, genuinely a very good course, and I'm going to explore a bit more in this video as well. Now you got Iman Gadzhi. Again, he's a multi-millionaire. Iman Gadzhi sells a course called the Digital Launchpad. Now, this is very similar to The Real World. In fact, it's pretty much identical. The course as well teaches you how to make money. He teaches a lot of things on there as well, like dropshipping, SMMA, as well as copywriting as well. So again, Andrew Tate and Iman Gadzhi both sell courses. They're both multi-millionaires, and they both teach you how to make money online. So Andrew Tate and Iman Gadzhi, what are they selling? What are they doing? They are selling something called a digital product. So again, they both sell courses. They both teach you how to make money online, but they both don't teach what they themselves are doing. So it's quite interesting. They both teach drop shipping. They both teach affiliate marketing. They both teach copywriting. They both teach very different ways to make money online. But both of them aren't talking about what they themselves are doing. And there is a saying that they say, don't follow what the rich people are teaching, follow what they are doing. So in this case, Andrew Tate, Iman Gadzhi, and again, a bunch of other influencers, they all sell one thing, which is digital products. Now, digital products are extremely important, and I'm going to explore more of that in this video and how you yourself can create your own digital product and make a ton of money. Honestly, you can make some crazy money doing so. Now, quickly, I just want to mention a quick way to make some side income. Now, if you want to make some money online, you know, let's say you've got some free time and you want to make some quick money, well, the best thing that you can do is sign up to 5 surveys. Now, you're probably asking, what is 5 surveys? 5 surveys is a website that allows you to turn your opinions into extra cash. It's so easy. You just complete 5 surveys and you'll earn $5. And what's good about 5 surveys is that there's no limit to how much you can earn. Also, it's completely free. There are no hidden charges to join. And again, it's extremely easy and extremely simple. So what I'm going to do, let's load up 5 surveys so I can show you how you can sign up. So to join 5 surveys, make sure you click my link below in the description. And once you click on that link, this is what you'll see. So this is the 5 surveys website. It's extremely easy to use, and I'm going to show you what you need to do. So firstly, as you can see, if you complete 5 surveys, you'll earn £5. It's that easy. Literally, if you're in the UK, it's £5. If you're in the US, it's $5. You can see there's no minimum payout, instant withdrawals as well. So let's go on the how it works section. So this is exactly how 5 surveys work. So you sign up for free. So you just sign up using the link that's in my description. Once you're signed up, you'll see a range of different surveys, and you can just share your thoughts, your insights on various topics and various products, and you will get paid for sharing your opinions. And every 5 surveys you complete, you get £5 in your balance. And you can redeem your accumulated money for cash, gift cards, and other various prizes. Now, quick disclaimer, 5 surveys is amazing, but it's not going to replace your full-time job. It's just a good way to earn some extra cash on the side. And each survey takes around 5 to 15 minutes. And you can fill these surveys out on any devices. It doesn't just have to be a computer. It can be your laptop. It can be your smartphone. It can be your tablet, anything. As long as you've got internet connection, as long as you can access the web browser, you can make money on 5 surveys. And what's cool about it is not only do you get cash, but again, you can get various gift cards and other prizes. So again, all you do is once you click on my link, you just click over here where it says login/sign up. Once you click on there, you just type in your email address. So I'm just going to show you guys exactly how you sign up. Once you type in your email address, you just click on continue. It will then ask you to type a password. So I'm just going to create a password over here. You just accept the privacy policy and terms and conditions. You click on continue. You'll then get a confirmation email sent to you. So make sure you click the link in your email. Sometimes a confirmation email can be sent to the junk folder, so make sure you check there as well. Once you signed up, you'll go into your account and you'll see a bunch of surveys which you can fill in and make some extra cash. So again, 5 surveys, a great way to make some extra cash on the side. So if you do want to join, make sure you sign up using my link in the description. Now let's get back onto the topic about digital products. So we established digital products is what you need to do. So you need to sell digital products. This is single-handedly one of the best ways to make money online. Andrew Tate's doing it, Iman Gadzhi's doing it, Charlie Morgan's doing it, and so many other influencers are also doing the exact same thing. And in most cases, it costs virtually nothing to set up. And what's good about it is that it's completely automated. And you can gain free traffic to get people to purchase your course. And I'm going to go through how you can do that later on in the video. And your course can be about anything. It doesn't just have to be on how to make money. Now, whatever you choose as your niche for your course, it's got to be something you're good at. So if you're good at baking, as an example, you can sell a course on how to bake well. It's funny because there's actually a woman who's making 6 figures online and she's selling a course on how to be a good stay-at-home wife. So you can see here, the amount of money you can make is unlimited. It doesn't matter what your niche is. As long as you can provide value, a lot of people will buy it. So how do you create your own digital product? Well, you first need to have your own audience. Now, I know a lot of you will probably say that you don't have your own audience. This is completely incorrect. If you've got any sort of social media, if you've got Instagram, if you've got a YouTube channel, if you've got TikTok, you'll have some sort of followers there. And if you don't have any type of social media, you need to start off somewhere. Start off on YouTube, start off on TikTok. You can even start off on Instagram as well. And I know a lot of you are scared to show up in front of a camera because you're scared or whatever the reason may be. However, you need to get out of your comfort zone and you need to film yourself making content. You need to get in front of a camera and talk about a particular niche. You then need to create a program around that niche. So for example, if you're selling a course on how to make money online, your niche is not going to be about baking. You're going to film content around how to make money online, and then your course's niche is going to be how to make money online. You then need to promote it through YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, whichever platform you're using. You can use multiple platforms as well. I think that is a very good idea. So if you're predominantly doing YouTube, I'd recommend to sort of repurpose some clips on TikTok and then use that as a way to get some traffic to get people to buy your course. And this is why having an audience is a very good thing. I'll give you an example, right? You've got KSI, you've got Logan Paul. Now, let's say they didn't have millions and millions of followers. If they created Prime, do you think they would have made as many sales as they've made now? Of course not. The reason Prime is doing so well right now is because KSI and Logan Paul have millions and millions of followers who all want to purchase that drink. And because they themselves are personal brands, they're able to market Prime in a very efficient way. Similar, if Rihanna was to start a makeup brand tomorrow, people will buy it because Rihanna's selling a makeup brand, not because the makeup brand is so good. And this is one of the biggest misconceptions because a lot of people think you need 50,000 subscribers or followers or 100,000 subscribers or followers or even 1 million subscribers or followers. Trust me, this isn't true. Even if you have 1,000 to 2,000 followers or subscribers, that is enough for you to make a lot of money online. Now, a lot of you will probably ask questions like, oh, how do I create my own YouTube channel? How do I create my own TikTok page? How do I create my own Instagram page? How do I use this to promote a course? How do I start with this course? How do I know what niche to choose? How do I know what I'm good at? How do I know how to promote all of this? Well, this is exactly why I created something called the Ultimate Wealth Circle. Now I have joined both the real world and digital launchpad and realized what both platforms are missing. The Ultimate Wealth Circle isn't just a platform on how to make money. It's more than that. It's more of a network of individuals who are all on the same mission, which is to make money online. We've helped several people start up their own digital products and they're making thousands and thousands of dollars every single month. Now the Ultimate Wealth Circle is obviously my platform. However, I want to give you a fair comparison on what platform you should join. So do you join the real world? Do you join the digital launchpad? Do you join the Ultimate Wealth Circle? Well, I'm going to explore it now. The real world is $50 a month, which is around $600 a year. Digital launchpad is slightly cheaper at $37 a month, which works out around $444 a year. Now, I've joined both courses and I can say both courses are honestly amazing. Honestly, both courses are very, very good in regards to what they teach and how you can make money online. But there is an issue with both these courses. They both teach ways on how to make money online, but they don't talk about what they themselves are doing to make money online, which is selling courses. Now, the Ultimate Wealth Circle, which is my platform, is $497 as a one-time fee. That means you pay once and that's it. You've got access to the course for life. You don't need to pay monthly. You don't need to worry about your subscription. You just pay $497 once and that's it. And the Ultimate Wealth Circle is constantly updating. It's going to be even bigger than what it is right now. We've got hundreds of students who already joined in the group, and a lot of them are making some serious money online. And what's good about the Ultimate Wealth Circle, which sets it apart from the real world and the digital launchpad, is that we talk about what the rich people are doing rather than what they are teaching. Okay, so you're probably watching this. Why should I join the Ultimate Wealth Circle when the real world and digital launchpad are such great platforms? Well, it's cheaper than the real world and digital launchpad. Now, you're probably going to attack me and say, no, it's, theirs is only $50 a month or $37 a month. If you had those platforms for more than 2 years or 3 years, it's quickly going to add up and it's going to cost you a lot of money. And again, the Ultimate Wealth Circle teaches you what the rich are doing, not what they're teaching. This is vitally important. You'd rather know what the rich people are doing so you can yourself become rich. And again, a one-time fee means once you buy it, you'll have access to it forever. I made it like this on purpose so you don't need to constantly worry about your subscription fees. And the Ultimate Wealth Circle is growing day by day. So once I get enough members on it, the price is going to increase in the future. So if you do want to secure it, make sure you secure it now. Because once you buy it, even if I increase the price in the future, you won't be affected. Another good thing about the Ultimate Wealth Circle, you get access to like-minded individuals, some who are making over 6 figures a year, who are looking to make money online. And once you join, you get the blueprint to sell your own digital products online with 24/7 one-to-one help. And the Ultimate Wealth Circle will have dedicated courses going through step-by-step on how to do everything. And another thing that's really good is it has features from the real world and the digital launchpad. Again, I've joined both these platforms. I know what's good about them and what's bad about them. And I've used these platforms to make my own platform, which is a combination of the two. So you get the best of both worlds. So guys, you'll probably see a lot of people promoting their digital products. You can imagine how much money they're making. As you saw from the clip earlier, Andrew Tate is making a lot of money. And that was before he even became famous. You can imagine how much money he's making now, how many active members he has now. So if you do want to learn how you can sell your own digital course, if you do want to learn how you can yourself do this, and trust me, you can make some serious money by doing this, and it's one of the best ways to make money online. Now in the Ultimate Wealth Circle, I'll go through exactly what you need to do. I'll go through pricing, I'll go through the steps you need to do in terms of what you should do, whether you should make a YouTube channel, a TikTok channel, an Instagram page, what type of niche is most profitable, what your skills are and where you should be directed towards. And I'll go through step by step on how you can do this yourself. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you guys for the next video.